Hi, this is Cristina Dougherty with Cristina Dougherty and Associates, and today we are lucky enough to be here with Ken Humphries of BPG Inspections. Today we're going to talk filters.
Hi guys, so filters, they're there for a reason, okay? Now, there's lots of different type of filters you can get, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 90-day, yearly, reusable, scented ones. That choice is yours, but it is vitally important that you change them for the type of filter you have. On this particular system, our filter sits to the left of the furnace, or the air handler. I'm going to pull it out. Like most good listing agents, we've got a nice clean filter in here. It's important that you get the right size. A little bit too big is fine if it pokes out of the unit. Too small is not good. On all disposable filters, you're going to find an arrow. And it is important that that arrow points towards the unit, which is the direction of airflow. Now, I have a habit of drawing little arrows on the unit. Some people will write the size of the filter on there as well. But check your filter, make sure it's clean, make sure you change it regularly. Thank you guys, take care.